Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can look at Google Maps from an aerial view. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the desktop version and I'm already in the aerial view because this is the default view for maps. You're going to be looking from a bird's eye view on any map, since that is pretty much how maps are made. However, if you want to have a more specific aerial view, you can go over into the bottom left. If you're on mobile, go into your settings on your account button, then go into settings and then search for start maps in satellite mode, and then search for satellite mode, and this is going to give you a bird's eye view or a satellite picture of whichever area you're looking at. Now, what you can also do, if you have the option available, for some reason I don't have that option available for most things, you can click on a location, then go into layers on your PC. Not sure how you would do this on a mobile phone, but there might be an option. Then go into more, and then you might be able to use global view. As you can see, you can zoom out and see the world in 3D, which in my case is not available for some reason, because might be region locked, might be anything really, I don't know, but it is what it is. But if you have that option available, it will zoom out and view it in 3D, which is pretty much just gonna give you an aerial view of whatever you are currently looking at, and that is pretty much all there is to it. Sadly, I couldn't show you guys any more specifics because I'm for some reason blocked from using that option, but other than that, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.